Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some more Jeffree Star Halloween box spoilers for 2020. I am bringing you the deluxe box. I'm so excited. I'm talking so fast. She's not done completely revealing her box yet, and I'm just like anticipating like what is coming in here, but so far I'm like mind blown at the exclusives. Oh my god, I've only seen one exclusive, but I'm dying, and then the other product that came in the deluxe, I'm like also dying. Oh my god, you guys are gonna be so excited. Okay, anyways, trying to like, you know, I'm trying not to like really edit this video either, but anyways, if you guys are enjoying these videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and click the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. And also, right quick, I want to plug in my Hocus Pocus giveaway because Ulta's not restocking, and I've heard rumors that ColourPop isn't, which you guys were telling me in my last video that they saw ColourPop respond to somebody saying that they weren't. So I'm really confused. If somebody has a DM of them telling me that, please let me know for confirmation. But 3 chances to win. It'll be linked at the top of my description. And I'm so excited because Hocus Pocus is the best. Anyways, also real quick, my best friend Noelle, I love her to death. She has a YouTube channel. I've talked about her a lot. We've collabed a lot. I have her linked below. She's doing a video as well. She's done other spoiler videos, and she's getting all 3 mystery boxes. I'm getting all 3 mystery boxes, and we're going to be doing lots of giveaways. And so if you guys want even more chances to win giveaway stuff, then definitely go check her out. Tell her I sent you in the comments, and go subscribe. She's a sweetheart, and she's way better at makeup than I am. She's like way better. But anyways, premium box, let's go. So of course she got the hat. I love the beanie. I do. It's black. It matches everything. It would match this shirt right now, which is my boyfriend's work shirt. So whatever. I'm feeling comfy today. Not so much fall like yesterday's video. She also got Diamond Juice in the lip gloss. So Diamond Juice and Shockwave so far have been the variations for the glosses. Also, real quick, mini box. Lip gloss was also in Wet Peach as a variation, by the way, other than Crystal Climax. And I think also Diamond Juice was in the mini. I can't remember. Okay, lip liner in Posh Spice. Posh Spice lip liner, which we've been seeing. And this is Posh Spice swatched on the back of my hand. And then she got the liquid lipstick in Leo, which is this shade right here. And that's exciting, which these colors are spoilers for the deluxe box. And then here is the palette variation. Okay, we've seen Beauty Killer, and we've seen Bloodlust. Not Bloodlust. Oh my god, no, not Bloodlust. Blue Blood. Blue Blood. We've seen Beauty Killer, and we've seen Blue Blood. Okay, we've seen Beauty Killer, and we've seen Blue Blood. Now we're seeing Androgyny. Yes, a 3rd palette variation, you guys. Who's excited? Thumbs this video up. Okay, now I'm very excited for the Big Daddy. Okay, so excited. Okay, I'm gonna save the good goods for last, which one of the items that's not even exclusive is a good, so get ready. But real quick, I'm gonna watch her and see what else she got. I just saw, what did I just see? Oh my god, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna keep my, I'm not even gonna edit this video, screw it. I'm gonna keep my mistake that I talked about Bloodlust instead of Blue Blood, because guess what? Bloodlust is coming in the big box. I've already had this palette. I sold it, but then I also had FOMO that I got rid of it because I really wanted it back, and I have a chance that I could get Bloodlust again, and I'm so excited. Bloodlust, you guys. Bloodlust is the palette in the big box. There could be variations. We don't know yet, but Bloodlust is the palette. Oh my god. Anyways, let's calm down. So we have a lip ammo. This is the first time we have seen a lip ammo, and this is from the Cremated collection. It's in the shade Widow, which is the like black shade or like the darker shade. I'm not sure how dark, but it's the shade Weirdo. Not Weirdo. Widow. Widow, which is, you know, close to Weirdo, but it's Widow, the lip ammo Cremated palette. Black packaging. There you go. Lip gloss came in this box. Control Freak. I have the OG lip gloss here. It doesn't even say the gloss on it. I got this at first launch. I already swatched it, but let me swatch it again. It's like a nice pale baby pink shade. Here it is. There we go. Okay. And then she got a liquid lipstick, and does Jeffree Star have a liquid lipstick in Designer Blood? I feel like he does. I feel like I have it in a mini, but I cannot find it to save my life. So if he does have it, then the liquid lipstick came in Designer Blood. But if that's not one, because I don't know if I heard her correctly, but I'm pretty sure she said Designer Blood, then it would be Unicorn Blood. But I'm pretty sure she said Designer Blood, but I cannot remember the names to all of his stuff. So that's the liquid lipstick. Okay, so we've done palette, lip gloss, liquid lip ammo. Let me tell you something that's so exciting. There's an Extreme Frost in here. What? A $50 Extreme Frost? Everybody has, actually I haven't seen anybody complain yet about not seeing any highlighters, but you guys, you got a $50 highlighter. It's in the shade Lick My Glit is the shade, which I think is the pink one. I can't remember. I used to have Sour Ice, which was the green one, but I got rid of it because it was honestly too intense, and at the time I was like, I don't care, but if I get this one, I'm keeping it. I'm gonna put it all over my face, and it will look so cute for inner corner highlights and on the lid and all of that jazz. Like, let me tell you, that is some intense pigment, if I do say so myself. Now, who's ready for an exclusive? Okay, so an exclusive is this t-shirt. I'm gonna have a screenshot up. Boop. Screenshot. Okay, so it's, oh my god, it's so freaking cute. The like messy design of like the tie-dye, like so on trend right now. Like I cannot at all. It's so freaking cute, and I love the star. It's the same design as the boxes, and it's orange. So I love that it's black, and I love that it's orange, and I love that it's gonna match the beanie so much. Okay, there's also a lip scrub coming in the box, and it's, I think, strawberry gum. I think that's what it is. So if there's any kind of other strawberry, I'm pretty sure she said strawberry gum. What else? Have we seen all of the products? I don't know. Let me just check really quick. I think that was it. Yes, that was it. So I'm so freaking pumped, you guys. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Go check out my giveaway. Go check out Noelle. Go freaking check out my other spoiler videos. And oh, I want to say really quick that in my, I think it was the mini box spoiler or the other spoiler that I just posted, I can't even keep up anymore, I said that Cherry Wet was a lip liner variation other than Weirdo, but I actually messed up and flipped the two because Unicorn Blood was a lip liner, and I was thinking it was a liquid lip because of the fact that there's also a liquid lip of Unicorn Blood as one of the colors. So there's also Unicorn Blood in the liquid lip, and then there's also Unicorn Blood in the lip liner. So those two are variants of the same box. So stay tuned for that. Or maybe it was the premium that was a lip liner in, or the lip, I don't remember. Jesus, just watch the videos. I'm getting anxious now. I'm like, I don't remember which one I put it in. But Cherry Wet was a liquid lipstick. I went back and was just like looking through my photos, and I was like, uh-oh, I messed up. I flopped the two. But those two are circling around in some of the boxes. I can't even remember. I'm like getting anxiety. But anyways, thank you guys so much. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. Who's excited about an Extreme Frost? Like, who would have thunk it? Like, I was like low-key saying, I forgot who I was talking to, but I was like, I bet he's gonna put Extreme Frost in here. I just feel like he is, because I feel like not a lot of people were buying them because they're so expensive, and he's probably got so many. But look at that, we got an Extreme Frost. Wait a minute, what was the other exclusive? I don't even remember what the other exclusive was. What was the other exclusive? So we have the t-shirt as an exclusive. Then we got strawberry gum, and then Calabasas lip liner. Oh yeah. Calabasas lip liner was another one right here. I'm so sorry. Calabasas was a lip liner. Wait, is the lip ammo in... I'm confused. Is the lip ammo? I'm confused. I don't know if the lip ammo was the exclusive. Oh, the exclusive. Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay. Anyways, okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, then give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!